Volkswagen's all-new budget-friendly car has sent shockwaves throughout the entire EV industry with its dynamic sporty design, impeccable top-notch interior, cutting-edge technology, and formidable performance, all bundled together at an astonishingly affordable price that falls well below the average cost of a brand-new vehicle. In the face of an increasing number of carmakers hailing from America and Europe, each promising to deliver top-tier, cost-effective vehicles, there has been a noticeable dearth of tangible results in the realm of these long-awaited, low-cost cars. The anticipation surrounding their arrival has not only persisted but also exceeded expectations. General Motors CEO Mary Barra once pledged to introduce an electric car named the Equinox EV, priced between $28,000 and $30,000. Yet this promise has yet to materialize. Similarly, Elon Musk of Tesla, another prominent automaker, fell short of his commitment to produce electric cars priced at $20,500, a departure from Tesla's usual lineup featuring models such as the X, Y, and Model X. On a global scale, only Chinese automakers, including BYD, Geely, and Wuling, to name a few, have been able to proudly declare their intent to manufacture and subsequently release low-cost vehicles that not only made it into production, but were also sold at the exact mentioned price point, or at least very close to it. Witnessing the rapid success of these small Chinese cars in the market, other major international car manufacturers have taken timely notice, realizing the urgency to join the trend of producing compact, budget-friendly vehicles equipped with the latest technology before it's too late. Among these automakers, Volkswagen stands out as one that is actively engaged in the process of creating and offering high-quality vehicles that don't come with a hefty price tag. Last year witnessed a remarkable achievement by the Volkswagen Group, as they recorded a historic sales figure of 572,100 all-electric vehicles worldwide. This marked a substantial 26% increase compared to the previous year's sales of 452,839 units in 2021. Notably, these figures signify an impressive 6.9% share of the overall vehicles sold during that period, a notable rise from 5.1% in 2021 and an even more remarkable surge from the 2.5% in 2020. Volkswagen's ambitious trajectory for electric vehicle adoption is evident through their strategic targets. By 2023, they aim to elevate the battery electric vehicle (BEV) share to approximately 11%, signifying an anticipated range of 0.9 to 1 million units. Looking a bit further ahead, their medium-term objective involves capturing a remarkable 20% share of the market by 2025, while their long-term vision for 2030 envisions commanding nearly half of the overall volume in the industry. While the global reach of their success is undeniable, it is within the European market that the Volkswagen Group has exerted its greatest influence. Undisputedly, Europe remains the primary stronghold for their electric vehicle offerings, solidifying their position as the preeminent manufacturer in the European battery electric vehicle category. Additionally, Volkswagen's traction in the United States market has witnessed considerable growth, propelling them to the prestigious fourth spot. The statistics from 2022 reinforce this ascendancy, with a remarkable 352,000 battery electric vehicles sold in Europe alone. China also showcased strong adoption, purchasing over 155,700 EVs, while the United States procured 44,200 EVs. The rest of the world contributed 20,200 sales to this remarkable global tally. Evidently, this stands as an impressive 26.3% surge compared to the preceding year. Despite Volkswagen's rapid and steady growth in the realm of battery electric vehicles, the specter of being overshadowed in the future by competitors such as Tesla, GM, and primarily Chinese automakers looms over them. In response to this looming challenge, the company has undertaken a formidable initiative by committing to invest a substantial amount of $10.6 billion in Spain. This financial commitment aims to establish a cutting-edge lithium-ion battery gigafactory in Sagunto, situated in close proximity to Valencia. Valued at $3.2 billion, this endeavor holds the promise of bolstering the supply of battery cells to local electric vehicle plants in Pamplona and Martorell. This remarkable gigafactory, slated for construction in Sagunto and confirmed in 2021, marks Volkswagen's third such facility. The first two are located in Sweden, in collaboration with Northvolt and Germany, respectively, with 3 more similar ventures slated to be unveiled in due course. Volkswagen's commitment to reshaping the electric vehicle landscape is evident. Mirroring the capacities of its 2 predecessors, the Sagunto plant is set to possess an impressive manufacturing capacity of 40 gigawatt-hour per year. Notably, the $3.2 billion battery production facility is poised to operate using electricity sourced from renewable sources. This laudable sustainability commitment is underscored by a significant partnership forged with Iberdrola, which will culminate in the establishment of a sprawling photovoltaic plant spanning 250 hectares. Positioned within a mere 10 kilometers of the battery factory, this solar facility promises to provide a reliable and eco-friendly energy source. On July 26, 2023, Volkswagen unveiled a substantial investment of $700 million in the Chinese electric vehicle firm, XPeng. This strategic move secures a 4.99% stake in the company. Looking ahead to 2026, an exciting collaboration is in the works between Volkswagen and XPeng. This collaboration aims to develop 2 electric cars under the Volkswagen brand, targeting the burgeoning mid-size sector of the Chinese market. In a forward-looking endeavor, Volkswagen's upcoming investment endeavors are set to unfold in Europe. The company's objective is to pave the way for the successful production of an economical electric car priced around $20,000, known as the Volkswagen ID.2. The forthcoming ID.2 all-EV borrows features from the 1970s Volkswagen Scirocco, a happy face from the original Beetle, and golfed wheels. Volkswagen brand CEO Thomas Schaefer investigates what distinguishes the ID.2 all-electric hatchback concept from a real Volkswagen. To help the CEO's task, he enlists the assistance of Andreas Meint, the brand's head of design, who explains stable, lowable, and secret sauce. When the ID.2 goes on sale, it will compete with other low-cost compact electric vehicles, such as the Peugeot E203, MG4 EV, Mini Cooper SE, the Renault Zoe E-Tech, Fiat 500 Electric, and the popular but soon-to-be discontinued Chevrolet Bolt EV. The Volkswagen ID.2 is 4,050 mm long, 1,812 mm broad, and 1,530 mm elevated, making it significantly smaller than the ever-popular Volkswagen Polo. Yet the 2 vehicles might readily be confused in appearance. The appearance of the new Volkswagen ID.2 hatchback, like every iteration of the Golf, is relatively modest. The car has a welcoming disposition, with only the center VW badge breaking up the front lighting signature. The car will include IQ LED matrix headlights. However, it is unknown whether these would be optional. The fenders are prominent. The 5-spoke wheels are appealing but basic, and the rear door handles are concealed to give the impression of a 3-door hatchback. The back end is where this car truly distinguishes itself from the Golf. To give it a more athletic aspect, the ID.2 all sports a large roof spoiler and a short back window. The floating gauge cluster spans 10.9 inches, while the primary infotainment screen measures 12.9 inches, featuring a newly redesigned menu layout that separates it from the air conditioning control panel positioned below. Moreover, the new multifunction steering wheel boasts simplicity, adorned with 2 thumb wheels and buttons on each side. Notably, the Volkswagen ID.3 has faced criticism for its overly responsive touch-sensitive configuration. Thus, the reintegration of physical control methods is warmly welcomed. Nearly all components within the vehicle are crafted from recycled materials, contributing to its sustainability. Seating capacity ranges from 4 to 5 individuals. Despite its affordable price point, this vehicle boasts an impressive array of features. Noteworthy amenities encompass massaging seats, wireless phone charging, and an expansive panoramic sunroof. The vehicle's compact size doesn't compromise practicality. In fact, Volkswagen itself emphasizes that the ID.2 EV will offer the spaciousness of a Golf while maintaining the affordability of a Polo. When the rear seats are folded down, the boot can accommodate up to 1,330 liters of luggage, or 440 liters with the seats in use. The ID.2 will be constructed on the MEB21 front-wheel drive electric vehicle architecture, derived from the existing MEB architecture that underpins the current ID lineup. 2 battery options will be available at launch: 58 kilowatt-hours and 38 kilowatt-hours. Both are expected to provide driving ranges of approximately 280 miles and 200 miles, respectively, according to the WLTP test cycle, following a full charge. Volkswagen has confirmed that the ID.2 battery will be capable of reaching an 80% charge within just 30 minutes. Anticipated to offer 223 horsepower, the base model of the ID.2 is poised to impress, while an even more potent GTI version is set to deliver a robust 265 horsepower. The base model boasts the ability to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 7 seconds, while the top model is projected to achieve this feat in under 5 seconds. With a starting price of $26,000, the Volkswagen ID.2 is scheduled for a 2025 release in Europe, likely as a 2026 model. This launch is part of Volkswagen's ambitious plan to introduce 10 new EVs by 2026. The possibility of the ID.2 arriving in the USA remains uncertain, though the dwindling availability of small hatchbacks in the local market casts doubt on its prospects for American customers.